Hi teacher, I'm Miguel. Here is my ID. Tonight I'm going to talk about the last oral exam. The topic that I chose was my kid and video games. Respect to the first question. Explain the topic of your opinion, say, and why you decided to present the opinion that you chose. I chose a topic about video games because this topic is very important for me. Actually, I have two kids, and every time and everywhere they told me that they are boring. Every time they want to play video games. So I don't think that this is bad, but there are different reasons, because I understand that there are positive points of view about playing video games. The first one, centennials. Centennials are persons who was born in 2000 and up. They are persons who was born with technology. They don't live without technological device. So in every the ways like they learn is through the internet. So I don't think that this is wrong, but like a parent like I am, I need to reinforce how can learn through the technology. The second one is the skills. I think that video games teach my kids how can improve their skills. For example, they need to concentration to play. They need to learn other language to communicate with other people around the world. So I think that the skills that my kids want is very positive to develop them. And the last one, I think that is the most important. I think that if my kids want to play video games, they know that the responsibilities of inside the home are very important. So every time they know what their duties. For example, when my kids they know when they want to play, they need to wash the dishes, fix their bedroom, and go on. Respect to the third question, describe how writing an essay is similar and different from writing a paragraph. I think that when I learn how can I write an essay, the main principal point and the difficult point for me is choose the topic. But when I choose the topic, everything that continues is more easily. I think I understand that it's more important the hook. How can you get the attention of the public, and it's more important to develop the thesis statement. After that, you have to write the next paragraph. Each paragraph has a principal idea and secondary ideas. Respect to the paragraph, it's more easy to do that, but essay needs a paragraph, and paragraph needs an essay. So both are important for each one. Respect to the last question, describe your overall experience with the essay writing process. I think that I need to understand that it's not easy to do an essay, because you need to do it regularly. But when you start to practice, it's more easily. Respect to the second topic, and the question says, describe what music means to you and what place it has in your life. How often do you listen to music? What kind of music? So music is very important for me. I need music to get peace, to get relaxed, to concentrate. I listen music every day in my work, when I go to the work, but when I am in house, I prefer to read. What is the kind of music that I love here? I like the Christian music because I am Christian. I think that the lyrics of Christian music has a positive message, and this kind of message brings me peace, and they teach me how can resolve my problems through my Lord, and how can I forgive the person, or forgive when I commit faults. I think the Christian music, the lyrics of Christian music are very positive, and every time when I talk with my workmate, I try to advise through this lyric to them. One of the solo artists that I like to hear is Danilo Montero. Danilo Montero was born in Costa Rica. He won two Latin Grammy Music Awards and one Billboard Award. He replaced Marcos Witt. Marcos Witt is the most referent solo artist that sing in South America. In this PP, we can see a picture of him, and Potpourri Cantare is the song that I like to hear when I was sad. I think that I am eclectic person, so instead of listening Christian music, I like to hear rock music, because I think that the rock music is power, the rock music is strength, and I feel that live more when I've listened to this kind of music. The principal band that I like to hear is Héroes del Silencio. This band is a Spanish band, and the Guns N' Roses. The Guns N' Roses is an American band. For example, when I hear Guns N' Roses, I like the November Rain, A Baby Don't Cry. This band was very popular in the 1800. So that is my presentation. In resume, I like to hear music. I like Christian music. I like rock music. So I like to hear another kind of music like salsa, because I like to dance. So that is all. Thank you, teacher, and to see you.